Very good morning to all of you. This is Urmila from Hyderabad. ये मेरा पिटिशन है to the Commissioner of Police Delhi and DGP of Telangana, dated 1st November 2020. Subject: the pre-planned conspiracy to eliminate in the name of legal who influenced the AES, Andhra Education Society, and how during the period of 5 days, that is from the date 17th May 2008 to 21st May 2008, to eliminate me from the service. Selected as an assistant teacher in Andhra Education Society, 1 Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg, ITO, New Delhi, by doing discrimination in my appointment along with the number of candidates selected with me before the Staff Selection Committee, New Delhi, on dated 17th May 2008, and made me to suffer a lot. Further, the same misleading by influencing even the Honorable High Court of New Delhi since May 2008. My continuous legal journey, my petition to Honorable Higher Authorities, consisting 38 pages, on dated 31st October 2020, placed as Annexure 1, begging to investigate request regard. Respected sir, I, P. Urmila Devi, wife of G. Krishnamurthy, aged 50 years, occupation waiting for the appointment order towards appeal number LP number 778/2011, residence flat number 104 Maitri apartment, Tirmalagiri, Secunderabad, Hyderabad, pin number 500015. As my husband was working in defense when we were in Chandigarh, he went America for the training on the Embraer Legacy aircraft in 2005 and got posted at New Delhi for the period of 10 years approximately in the VVIP unit Com Squadron, New Delhi. In the 2006 and 2007 academic year, I was working as a TGT teacher in AES ITO, New Delhi. Further, the AES 12th December 2007 invited applications through the newspaper and shortlisted called for the interviews, and the interview was conducted by the SSC on the dated 17th May 2008 at AES ITO, and I was selected in the merit before the SSC. Then the AES on 21st May 2008 created problem to eliminate me legally because they cannot eliminate by showing any other reason. Then they chosen this flimsy false reason, that to submit the OBC certificate issued by the competent authority of NCT of Delhi, which I cannot produce. Whereas the AES stealthily given appointments to all those who were selected by the same notification, and SSC on the basis of OBC certificates issued by the state of Andhra Pradesh. For those for whose conspiracy, for what, why they created, the AES created within the short period, means 17th May 2008 to 21st May 2008, this nuisance for no reason. As back of the curtain, as any influenced person to take his unseen revenge, influenced the AES, made me to scapegoat. Then AES made me to scapegoat by creating this problem. Then AES created this OBC certificate problem for me without any reason, even though I was blessed, my native state Honorable MP Sri V. Hanumantarao by writing a letter to Honorable Chief Minister of NCT Delhi, Annexure 1, condemned by seeing the injustice of to OBC lady, that too in appointment. And this letter, Honorable CM of Delhi, by endorsing herself, referred to her Honorable Education Minister Sri Lavliji, and even the Honorable Education Minister and Director of School Education called to AS management by the letter and telephonically several times for not to harass the OBC candidate who had a defense background and experienced in the same school. If the AES management was against me for any reason, definitely damn sure the AES not allowed my name to the shortlisted. It was not happened. The AES listed in the shortlist my name and called for the interview before the SSC. And I was selected. The AES staff told me orally on the same day. That is, I was selected, and later the minutes of the meeting, Annexure 1, is the proof that I selected in the merit. In this regard, I met Honorable CM both the states. Then it is very much clear something went wrong. Some conspiracy was there. On those 4-5 days, someone who does not digested my selection influenced with no reason for not to appointment me. As it was good news for me, then I informed my near and dear friends, relatives, known persons. Must be one of these influenced person must have influenced the AES management, and the same managing misleading even the Honorable High Court of New Delhi in all these years for not to get similar justice, and made the Honorable Justice to mislead me in the name of legal. So accordingly, the AES, Andhra Education Society and Education Department, Honorable Single Judge and double bench number of justices actions were like explained in Annexure 1. That is what in the legal that is way in the name of legal process I did not get similar justice till now, begging to notice how much influence misled working behind this post for no reason. There must be unseen revenge for my native place, Siddipet district, Siddipet, Telangana. Unfortunately, who came to Delhi from my native place and met with the AES secretary Sri Srunkara Ishwara Prasad at his residency in Dwaraka, New Delhi, in my post issue. Later he died. The issue is more likely to suspicious now because it was untimely death. So, as per Annexure 1, mentioned illegal actions and huge conspiracies, influences, misleadings in the name of legal, I may not get justice even another 13 years. As already 13 years passed, it means 26 years programmed. Then when I will get justice? Earlier I was suspected the Andhra management because those days the Telangana Andhra bifurcation agitation was going on seriously, and I was the candidate from the Telangana, that too from Siddipet. Present Honorable CM Sri Chandrasekhar Rao's region, who was the main leader of the agitation at that time. So maybe the AES might be given stepmother treatment, I thought. When I not got the order, as the legal journey was going on, then I joined as a TGT English for the short period in A4 school, Palam, New Delhi. After that, I joined as a PGT English for a period of 1 year in Mahavir Enclave, Palam, New Delhi. Prayer. hence begging to investigate the pre-planned conspiracy to eliminate in the name of legal who influenced the AES, why and how during the period of 5 days, that is from the date of 17th May 2008 to 21st May 2008, to eliminate me from the selected as a assistant teacher in Andhra Education Society, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg, ITO, New Delhi, by doing discrimination in my appointment along with a number of candidates selected with me before the Staff Selection Committee, New Delhi, on 17th May 2008, and bring the culprits under the law in the interest of justice. Thanking you. As annexure, I stated 38 pages. Yes, petition to higher authorities, dated 31st October 2020, or copy to begging with folded hands for the needful remedial action in the interest of justice, and further for information towards my and my family members' life and false cases threat in disguise. For annexures, begging to see the link GOO police stop JL /63 small p 7 and capital U and capital P. This is the link address, and number of honorable higher authorities को copy किया. Yours faithfully, Urmila Devi. Thanking you.